Hello YouTube. In this question, we have to find the areas of two smaller rectangles. First one is green colored and second one is the blue colored. And in this question, we don't know the width of the rectangles. So first of all, we would assume that the width of this rectangle is y meter and the length of these smaller rectangles is uh, x2 meter and this one is x1 meter. After these assumptions, since we know that the area of this part is 60 meters square and the width of this rectangle whose area is 60 meters square is also y meter and the length of this one would turn out to be 9 minus x1 because total length is 9 meter and part of this length is x1, so that's why this part becomes 9 minus x1. Hence, 9 minus x1 into y is equal to 60. Similarly, for this part, its area is 80 meters square and its length will be 11 minus x1 because total length is 11 meter and length of the green rectangle is x1. That's why length of this part of rectangle is 11 minus x1. Hence, to calculate via the length and breadth, it will turn out to be 11 minus x1 into y is equal to 80. Let's assume the first one as equation first and second as the equation second. And after expanding this, it will turn out to be 9y minus x1y is equal to 60 and second one would be 11y minus x1y is equal to 80. Subtract both of them. So after subtracting, this x1y part will cancel out and after subtraction we will get minus 2y is equal to minus 20. So after this we can find out the value of y which will turn out to be y is equal to 10 meter. And since we got the value of y, we can obtain the value of x1 from the equation second and we will get that 11 minus x1 into 10 is equal to 80. Hence 11 minus x1 is equal to 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Hence x1 will be 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 meter. So this way we obtained the x1 and values of y. Now we have to find the x2 part as well with the similar technique. So for that we will use this information, the length of 15 meter, and in that case since we know the area of this part as 100 meters square, so the length of only this portion is 15 minus x2. Hence, to calculate the area of this, we have to multiply the 15 minus x2 with the length of y meter. Hence, we will get the expression as 15 minus x2 into y is equal to 100 and we know the value of y which is 10 meter. Hence, substitute it in this expression 15 minus x2 into 10 is equal to 100. Hence, 15 minus x2 is equal to 10 and x2 is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 meter. So now To find the area of green rectangle, we have to multiply the x1 and y1. So let's proceed on that. Green rectangle area is equal to x1 into y. x1 is 3 and y is 10. Hence, it will become 30 meter square. And for the blue one, we have got the x2 value as 5 meter. So, in that case, it will become 5 into 10 is equal to 50 meter square. So yeah, that's how we obtained the values of the areas for both of the rectangles. First one is 30 meter square and second one is the 50 meter square.